What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a review and on feet over the highly anticipated Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes, man. As you guys do know, these released via the exclusive access on the Nike SNKRS app, and a lot of people was having troubles getting onto it and even redeeming their exclusive access, but I was lucky enough to redeem it, and I finally got my pair in. Of course, I already did the unboxing, and I already shot the on feet for you guys. It's very crispy, so I cannot wait to show you guys that at the end of the video. But stay tuned for the whole video so you can get a comparison between these, the original Air Jordan 1 Royals, and the Air Jordan 1 Game Royals, man. So stay tuned throughout the whole video so you can get some of these dope visuals. But you guys already know, man, if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe to the channel right now for your boy. We are so close to 30,000 subscribers, man. By the end of the night, man, we should hit 27,000 subscribers on the channel, man. I want to thank everybody from the bottom of my heart, man. It means so much, man. The channel been going crazy lately. I appreciate all the support you guys have been showing, pulling up to live streams, liking the video, and that leads to the second part of the intro, man. If you're watching this right now, man, please smash that like button, man, and go for every video now. It's 300 likes. Help your boy out. That really helps the channel grow. And like I said, man, the more y'all like the videos, the closer and faster we will get to 30,000 subscribers on the channel, man. And ring notification bell for you boys so you never miss another video, live stream, or anything that drops on the channel. The last couple of lives have been super fun, interacting with you guys and bringing guests onto the channel to chat with you guys as well. And also, if you guys do not mind, please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It will be linked down below in the description box. And with all that being said, man, let's jump right into this review and on feet over the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes, man. Let's get it. Alright guys, like I said, I hit on these with the exclusive access on the Nike SNKRS app. I got the 2-day shipping, and these things got here super fast. And I heard that they took the 2-day shipping off for the Fire Reds. I don't know why they did that, but the 2-day shipping is currently now back onto the SNKRS app. So these upcoming releases, make sure you get 2-day shipping so you're not waiting super long for your sneaker to get to your house, man. I know me, I hate waiting for my shoes. As soon as I buy something, I'll be checking the tracking number, seeing when they're gonna get here, because I just be so excited to get some of my sneakers, man. But the first thing I want to point out is the box. You guys already know, it's a quick little overview of the box. Nike on top, the official size tag over here, and you got Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Fish colorway is black, white, and Game Royal. And of course, it's a size 9, my size, and they retail for 170 bucks. You guys know they raised the retail price up $10. Who knows why? Bam! There you have it, man. Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes, super clean. One of my highly anticipated sneakers of this year. I was really looking forward to this one. It's a lot of Air Jordan 1s that I'm really looking forward to, which I'm gonna make a separate video about so we can talk about all the upcoming Air Jordan 1s and get some of you guys' opinions and thoughts about them. But first things first, I want to talk about the quality, man. The quality is super nice. If I had to compare it to any of the past releases with the Air Jordan 1s, it would have to be better than the Core Pro 2.0s, and I would compare it maybe a little bit behind the Air Jordan 1 Pine Green 2.0s, man. As you guys do know, the leather on those joints was super nice, and these Royal Toes, man, have super nice quality as well. You guys are going to check out the B-roll and check out that leather quality. Very nice. Like I said, I already did the on feet, walking around it and stuff like that. That natural crease you get with your Air Jordan 1s look very nice. You know, some of the Air Jordan 1s you get, especially the patent leather Air Jordan 1s, leave that super thick crease. But these right here, like I said, when you get a little bit better with the quality on these Air Jordan 1s, you don't have to worry about that super harsh crease in your Jordan 1s. Checking out the side panel, man, you got an all white side panel. You usually get that super tumble leather on the side of your Air Jordan 1s, man, but this one right here is not that great. I'll compare that to the Core Pro 2.0s. But checking out the side, man, you get that black Nike swoosh right here. And a lot of people did not like the white wings logo on these joints, but me personally, I like when Jordan Brand do different stuff. And these definitely stand out when you compare them to, you know what I'm saying, the Air Jordan 1 Royals right here, got a black wings logo, and even the Air Jordan 1 Game Royals, man, check it out. So you guys let me know how you feeling about the all white Air Jordan 1 wings logo on the Royal Toes. And the difference between these Royal Toes and the other two Royals I have in my collection, man, is the leather branded Nike Air on the tongue, man. You guys know that on the Game Royals and on the Air Jordan 1 Royals, they have like that nylon Nike Air brand on the tongue, but these right here came with the all leather branded Nike Air, man. And with that Nike Air, man, it's very shiny. It stands out a lot. So you guys let me know how you feel about that difference between this and the other Royals I have in my collection and in your collection as well. Leading down to laces, man, you get all black laces that come in the shoe, but you also get an extra set of blue laces. Me personally, I love the black laces that come in it, and it just contrasts perfectly with the blue hits around the shoe, man. I know a lot of people are saying that they should add more blue with the shoe, but you get enough blue here. And like I said, if you want to throw more blue into the shoe, it does come with extra set of blue laces. The leather quality on the upper of this Air Jordan 1 and around the heel, man, is very soft and very plush. Checking out the inside of the shoe, man, you get a cardboard shoe tree inside, and on the insole, man, you get Nike Air branded down below. Also, you get an all white midsole. Of course, not a lot of factory flaws and glue stains and stuff like that, like we do see on some of our Air Jordan 1 releases. but this one right here came pretty much A1 in my opinion. And last but not least, with this shoe, you get an all blue Air Jordan 1 track pad. All right, man, for the quick comparison between this and the other two Royals I have in my collection, man, I would have to say that the Air Jordan 1 Royals have the best quality, man. Just check out the super plushness of the toe box right here, and you can just tell the difference between this quality and the Royal toe quality, and of course the Game Royal quality, man. You can check it out right here. If I had to rank the quality between the three, of course it would have to be the Royals, the Royal toes, and then the Game Royals that they released a couple years back. And you can check on the tongue right here. These come with the nylon branded Nike Air on the tongue, and the Royal toes have that leather Nike Air branded. You can see the tumbleness of leather on the back of the Royals in the middle, and you don't see that same type of quality, that same type of grain of leather on the other two Royals I have in the collection. And the major difference between these and the other two, these retail for $170 and the other two retail for $160. Alright guys, that is it for the review, the comparison between the other two Royals I have in the collection. I hope you guys enjoyed the visuals of all three of these shoes, and specifically these that we have upcoming this Saturday for $170. I will drop a how to cop video later on this week. I would drop it on this one, but the video will be super long, and I pretty much wanted to focus on the difference between the other two Royals and the quality of these Royal toes. If I had to rank all three of these, it would have to be the Royal ones, of course, the Royal toes, and then the Air Jordan 1 Game Royals. You guys let me know which one you like the best, which one has the best quality down below. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tuning in to this video. Make sure you hit that like button right now for your boy. The goal for this video is 300 likes. Help your boy out, man. We about to hit that 27K. All the likes and all the comments down below will really help. And if you plan on copping this sneaker this upcoming Saturday, man, spam up the comment section with fire emojis. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed already, man. Ring notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video. Follow me over on IG at DeVintage World. The link will be in the description box below. And with all that being said, we're gonna jump right into this quick on feet over the Air Jordan 1 Royal toes. Let's get it.
Same little nigga from the get-go, bet your bitch go for me. I don't really need that chick though, please come get your shorty. Teed up, gassed up, slick, go with my whip, go 40. Come, I really don't miss shit though, you gon' get your shortly. Oh, that's shortly, do the work and read the end of it. Selling game and pimpin' penny shit. Popping off of purely penmanship. Business shit, you not a benefit. Beneficial moves, I been a man. Shaking, moving like the mini hand. Beat the coochie like an hour long. Keep it lit, I keep the power on. Power up, a super saiyan, Superman. Saving hoes, not I. Top tier, top floor, top shotter, you are not top 5. To be completely 100, these people can't keep me from coming, I'm moving now. Fuck what you doing tomorrow, if you wanna do it, I say you get to it now. I see the view from the top of the podium, out of your sodium wingspan. I am the nigga they itching to see when you sitting with me, you a wingman. Everybody say they hot shit, some of y'all ain't right though. Everybody got punchlines, but some of y'all ain't right though.
Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up, they gon' say I changed up. Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up, they gon' say I changed up. Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up, they gon' say I changed up. Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up, they gon' say I changed up. Step my
living my life on the ledge, I'm a legend. My brother got caught with a weapon by 12, he was only 11. Fast forward a nigga to 8 and I'm feeling like 007. These niggas be angry as hell and I swear I'ma send them to heaven. Me and my dog in the reverend, this shit is morbid to me. Women be orbiting me, winning is normal to me. People be doing the most when they get a little audience, be how you normally be. All of my niggas a little off, some of them niggas is really on. She got a wiggle inside her jeans, I do not know how she fit them on. Me and these niggas don't get along, they be looking at me like I did them wrong. About to hit the bank, then I hit the bong. On the same shit, just a different song. And I hopped in the game like a 6-man, hoping they make me a rich man. Lean on your bitch with a kickstand, she done snuck in the back with a wristband. It ain't new to me, truly I'm used to the foolery. Seem like I handle it suitably, so there ain't really shit you could do to me. And I think that it's best that they understand. Right now that I got the upper hand, gave her the pipe from the motherland. Now I bet you she don't need another man, I'm 100 grand.
Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up, up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up when you bring my